Hello everyone. Welcome back to JRF. In this video, JRF will guide everyone the steps to top up the JRF Wallet app. JRF Wallet is a top money transfer app in Japan. JRF Wallet app integrates many exclusive features, promises to become a game changer that breaks down all barriers. Using JRF's app, you can transfer money domestic and international right on your smart devices with just a few taps. Sending money with JRF Wallet today. JRF Wallet is now available on App Store, iOS 11.2 or newer, and Google Play, Android 5.0 or newer. You can download JRF Wallet app for free. To top up the JRF Wallet app, you can do it in two easy ways. Option 1, using JRF's newly launched dedicated card, JRF ECO CARD. You can use your JRF ECO CARD at any Yucho ATM to top up the app. Then follow these easy steps. Step 1, select English Guide. Step 2, select a deposit option. Step 3, please insert your card. Step 4, select a card issued in Japan. Steps 5 and 6, press Enter. Step 7, align the bills correctly. Step 8, confirm and press Enter. Please wait a second. Then take your card and receipt. Finally, log into the JRF wallet to check your balance. Note, there will be a charge when you top up at Yucho ATM. With a JRF ECO card, the maximum amount you can top up at ATM Yucho is 2 million yen. Option 2, direct transfer to JRF's bank account. You can transfer money to JRF's Yucho, Mizuho, SMBC, or UFJ bank account. In this video, JRF will show you how to transfer to JRF's Yucho account. This is the most economical way to top up JRF Wallet. Please follow the steps below. Step 1, transfer money to JRF's account at ATM Yucho. First, select English Guide. Then select Remittance. Select Enter. Insert your card or passbook. Enter your password. In this step, enter JRF's account number. Press 001004, then select Enter. Continue to press 0651984, and then enter again. Input the amount and then press Yes. Enter one more time. Double-check your bank account information, amount, then enter. Finally, get your card and bill back. Step 2, send a top-up request to JRF support team. After successful transfer, please contact JRF via call or send SNS to JRF's social media channels. Thank you for watching. See you later.